Hi everyone! Today, I will show you how to add music to your PowerPoint presentation. Let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint presentation where you want to add your music. Navigate to the slide where you want the music to start playing. Let's select this one, for example. Now click on Insert tab in the ribbon at the top of the screen. In Audio, click on Audio on my PC and locate and select the music file you want to use, then click Insert. The audio icon will appear on your slide. Now click on the audio icon and go to the playback tab in the ribbon. To start the music automatically, click on Start and then select Automatically. Check this box if you want to play the music across the slides. If you want to loop until stopped, hide during show, or rewind after playing. You can click on No Style to remove the style or play in the background. Here you can set the fade duration, fade in and fade out, and click on Trim Audio if you want to trim your audio. Use the sliders to set the start and end points. Then click on OK. Now go to Format. And here you can change the icon of your audio. Click on Change Picture and you can choose from a file, from online sources, or from an icon, or from icons. I will choose an icon from icons. Here you can choose any icon you like. I will search for music and I will select this one. Then click Insert. Go to Slideshow and play your presentation from beginning to ensure the music plays as expected. And that's it. You've learned how to add music to your PowerPoint presentation. Thanks for watching. Bye!